Hello, I am Dr. Bipin Kumar Srivastav, working with Galgotia College of Engineering and Technology. I covering the topic polymers and starts with classification of polymers. Basically, polymers is a polymer substance or a material consisting of very large molecules or macromolecules composed of many repeating subunits due to their broad spectrum of properties. Both synthetic and natural polymers essential and ubiquitous roles in everyday life. Polymers are very large molecules made when hundreds of monomers join together to form long chains, and the word polymer comes from Greek word poly meaning many and meros means parts. This is the chart of classification of polymers. Polymer basically four types classified in four types. First is based on the origin of source and origin of the source. These are divided in three parts: natural polymers, semi synthetic and synthetic polymers. Based on structure divides in three: linear polymers, branch chain polymers, cross linked polymers. And based on molecular forces, these are basically elastomers, fibers, thermoplastics, thermosetting polymers. And based on mode of polymerization is addition polymers and condensation polymers. This is a tacticity of polymer. Basically, orientation of monomeric units in polymer takes place in orderly or disorderly fashion with respect to main chain. The difference in configuration affects their physical properties, and these are divided in three parts. First is isotactics. Basically, isotactics is a functional groups are all on the same side on the main chain, and atactic polymers is basically functional groups arranged in random manner, and syndiotatic polymer is basically functional groups occupy alternating position. Classification of polymer on the basis of thermal behavior. These are divided in two: thermoplastic and thermoset plastics. Thermoplastic means materials become fluid, and they are the plastics that do not undergo chemical change in their composition when heated and can be molded again and again. And thermoset plastics are basically can melt and sharp once after they uh, have solidified, they stay solid. In the thermosetting process, a chemical reaction occurs at in is reversible. And again, thermal response is thermoplastic polymers. They are easily molded in desired shapes by heating and subsequent coating at room temperature. They are soft on hot and hard on cooling. Thermosetting polymers are basically this is hard and infusible on heating. These are not soft on heating, undergo pressure, and they are not remolded. They are cross-linked. This is a main important point. Is these are cross-linked polymers and are not reused. Basically, all type of polymers they are not. For example, is bakelite and other type of plastics use one time. And synthetic polymers is basically man-made polymers synthesized in laboratory from low molecular weight compound are called as synthetic polymers. The in this area, very broad area, are nylon, terylene, polyethylene, polystyrene, synthetic rubber, nylon, PVC, bakelite, Teflon, and more.